Hi, this is Julie Murphy in Santa Cruz, California. I'm going to read a new poem entitled An Ordinary Day. There's nothing you could have done, Lynn tells me 2 weeks after her husband survived a heart attack. I didn't call because of the widow thing. Death, a broom, trying to sweep us up, and still we hardly know how to help one another. I dreamt of my late husband last night, but already the dream disperses like dandelion seeds. Here an echo of laughter, there his smooth muscled shoulder. Somewhere an ordinary day unfolds its belongings from a suitcase. I can't remember enough of the dream to make sense. I want a message from him, a proper visit. A mockingbird exhausts her repertoire, ends with an alarm, and Cohen sings, "Ring the bells that still can ring." I should be happier. At least I think he'd want me to be. Morning sun angles in, teal curtains lift in a breeze. I'm afraid I'm letting my life slip away. I love that little breeze. Thank you.